Второй класс, английский язык. Городской мышонок и деревенский мышонок. Домашнее задание. Страница 92, 93, 94, 95. English. Spotlight 2. The town mouse and the country mouse. Homework page. 92, 93, 94, 95. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Boys and girls, my dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 92, 92. Прочитай и напиши свои любимые игрушки. Образец. Look at my toy soldier. It's got 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. It's got dark hair too. My toy soldier is very nice. Repeat once more, please. Repeat after me. Look at my toy soldier. It's got 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. It's got dark hair too. My toy soldier is very nice. For example, the answer. Look at my teddy bear. It's got 2 eyes, a little black nose, and a mouth. It's got brown hair too. My teddy bear is very nice. My dear friends, Look at the picture, please. Teddy bear shops. In Great Britain, children love teddy bears. You can see all kinds of teddy bears, big and small, and all different colors. Some teddy bears wear clothes and hats too. They're very cute. Read once more, please. Teddy bear shop. In Great Britain, children love teddy bears. You can see all kinds of teddy bears, big and small and all different colors. Some teddy bears wear clothes and hats too. They're very cute. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 93. Fun at school. Peep, Squeak, Wilfred. Peep's toy soldiers. Repeat once more. Fun at school. Peep, Squeak, Wilfred. Peep's toy soldiers. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 94. 94. The town mouse and the country mouse. Town mouse. Come on, country mouse. It's great in my house. There's plenty to eat. Here, please take a seat. Repeat once more, please. Come on, country mouse. It's great in my house. There's plenty to eat. Here, please take a seat. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 95. 95. Country mouse. Help me, oh help me. The dog wants its tea. It doesn't want burgers. It wants to eat me. My dear friends, repeat once more, please. Еще раз повтори. Help me, oh help me. The dog wants its tea. It doesn't want burgers. It wants to eat me. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.